Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation we will see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. The chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening, which shows that the market opened here 460 or just above 460. We expected copper to stay in buying, maintaining 454.5 as stop loss, but right after the opening the price could not sustain 460. We had mentioned many times about the importance of 460, 462, and these are all very major resistance zones. So the price came down clearly to trigger the stop loss and came down till 449.5, and it had some sharp retracement and closed near 456.70. So finally the closing is quite good for buyers, but still today it is expected to open somewhere near 455. Based on COMEX price direction, we are predicting the price opening. So now it's in a confused area. We know the fact that if the price is staying above 452, there are always chances that the price will go and hit 460 again and again to break it down. And we need to take our chances. Still the trend is not very clear. Even though we had a massive selling, we need to take our chances. So place stop loss around 458.5 and go for selling, expecting that the price can come down. Let us see how the price is reacting around 452. So thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.